What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 12 of Rookie Mondays. Today we'll be taking you through Coinbase, the most popular crypto exchange. Now, there are other crypto exchanges, though. You have like Gemini, Uphold, Crypto.com. People actually invest using Cash App, Venmo. They also provide crypto services, but the most popular one is Coinbase. So we want to take you step by step through Coinbase so you can start your crypto journey. So without further ado, let's kick it off, bro. Take them through Coinbase.
Got you. So as you said, we're choosing Coinbase because it's also the OG. Like, it's just the easiest one to use, essentially, in my opinion, right? But just how we did it in the Robinhood section, the Acorns section, when we took you through those apps, before you actually can start trading, when you actually create and log into Coinbase, you have to do a whole KYC process.
And so, what does KYC stand for?
So essentially it's like know your customer, right? The actual app and the company want to know who they're transacting with. So your first name, last name, address, basically your, how much salary you make, all that good stuff has to be inputted. We won't take you through that because obviously that's personal, right? That's going to be all the stuff you put in. But after, you do all that, you're going to be able to trade. So let's just kick it off right now. We're going to be doing a split screen, right? So the first thing you're going to see when you actually do all that good stuff is the home screen, just like you see right here. So on the top, right, you see different things like you see buy, sell. So essentially, if you want to buy a new crypto, you click the buy button. If you want to sell something you own, you click the sell button. You can also actually send. So you see that third one over there. Essentially, if I own Bitcoin, I'm like, hey, I'm going to send Bitcoin to Terrell. Then I could actually send that by clicking on that link right there and then convert. So if I wanted to convert my Bitcoin into Ethereum or Ethereum into Bitcoin, it lets me do that too. We're going to take you through that process, right? Also, you see something like a watch list. You want to explain something what that means?
Yeah, watch list is what you use to see all the coins that you're interested in. So say I hear about a new crypto, like if I was listening to Bag Talk and I heard them mention Decentraland, I'll find Decentraland and I'll add it to my watch list. So now I could watch how the price moves on a daily basis without actually being invested into it yet.
Exactly. So, in this watch list, you see like Bitcoin, Ethereum. If I click see all, you see a bunch of them on here, like Decentraland's on there. Then you see Solana on there, et cetera, et cetera. So you can create your own watch list, right? If you scroll down, you see top movers as well. So the reason why this might be helpful is if you're trying to day trade or scalp, you might see what's moving the fastest. Like in this case, you see KNC moved at 11%. Cool, I want to get in that. You see COTI went down 12%. Cool. But there's so many out there that you can just check out and read through. That's always helpful. Just keep your eye on stuff. Other cool thing about crypto is what? News, right?
Yeah.
So essentially, in this app, it's super cool. You can actually read through all the crypto news that's latest out right now. So you keep on scrolling and scrolling, it's all there for you.
Yeah, and I want you guys to pay attention to that because crypto news comes actually pretty frequently. A lot is changing in such a new space. So I want you guys to pay attention to that because it can actually help your investment journey.
Yep, absolutely. So the other thing what we just discussed is the home tab, right? Then you see assets. So if you actually own some assets, it will show up under this category, right? So in this case, I'm very open with you guys. I tell you I'm very heavily invested in Ethereum and Bitcoin. And then I own some XRP and I'm looking to get into Decentraland and Solana, just how we've been talking about this whole time, right? So if you actually own these assets, it lets you see how much you own in this case. It tells you the price of it, which is super helpful for you guys, right? Now, if you're looking to trade, right? This is what you guys all came here to do. So if you click on trade and that leads you to this page right here, this is when you can actually figure out which crypto you want to buy. So in this case, we're actually going to show you a live example, right? So if I click asset up top, and I'm like, hey, what do you want to do, Mana?
Yeah, let's do Decentraland.
All right, cool. So let's just say I want to buy Decentraland, right? I would literally type in MANA, and that's the ticker, right? So that actually tells you Decentraland.
And if you don't know something's ticker, you can actually type it in. Like if we typed in Decentraland, it will come up as well, just so you know.
Exactly. That's a good point. So essentially, this lets you know that right now I hold a zero balance, but you see the 1 hour chart, you see how it's going up or down, you see the 1 day, all the way to 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and then all time. So it's super easy. It works just as like Robinhood does, to be honest. They're all very similar.
Yeah.
But let's just say I want to buy. I click that trade button and it says buy Mana or convert. In this case, I'm looking to buy it. And then obviously your bank information is there. But this cool thing that you see one-time purchase, you can actually click that, and it lets you say, do I want to do one time? Do I want to do reoccurring like daily? Do I want to do, obviously it says weekly, 1st and 15th of the month, and then monthly. In this case, let's just do like one-time purchase.
Yep, a one-time buy. All
right, cool. So I'm just going to, let's just say I want to put like $20, right? So I do a one-time purchase of $20. Cool. I preview buy. It does this whole loading process because they want to let you know what's actually happening. So this says what your payment method is, what the Coinbase fee is, and then afterwards lets you know how much you're actually buying, right?
Yeah, and unfortunately, Coinbase has to take their fee. They got to make their money somehow.
Exactly. So after everything looks good, you click buy now, and then boom, just like that, you actually end up saying, now I own some mana, which is super nice because it's a part of the future.
Exactly. It's part of our future, and Bagtalk definitely recommended that in our top altcoins video that you should definitely go check out.
Facts.
And before we continue, we want you guys to please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep. And make sure you hit that little notification bell because we drop
2 videos a week.
And you do not want to miss them. All right. So let's just continue with this. So as we said previously, when you go through the whole purchase of buying, it says, okay, this is bought. I could see the show details, or if you want to see the details, you're good to go. And then it shows everything, and you click done, you're perfectly fine. Now, the cool part is when I go to assets, it shows I own Decentraland, right? When I actually click Decentraland, and I'm like, yo, I don't know if I feel like going through with this, right? Like, I might want to sell, bro. So all you have to do is literally click sell, trade, and then it gives you options like buy, sell, convert. Let's just say you want to sell. All you have to do is put in exactly how much you want to sell. Do you want to sell max? You click that max button and it does it for you, right? Or if you want to do like, hey, I want to sell $2 worth, you do $2. You do a whole preview. So it does the whole preview for you just like we did with the buy section. And then you hit that little sell now and you're good to go. I'm not going to sell it because I want to hold it.
We definitely want to hold it.
But that's a very easy way to go through in the buying and selling process. So also, I think what you want to show them convert, right?
Yeah, let's show them convert.
All right.
So you can go right back there and right back to Decentraland.
Oh, yeah, we can do it that way. So if you actually wanted to convert the same thing, say trade, say convert, because that's what I want to convert. Let's just say I want to do it to Bitcoin, right? So while this whole thing loads, you actually have different options. So if you want to convert to Ethereum, you can do Ethereum, Bitcoin. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, you can convert any crypto to another crypto, right?
Exactly.
Coinbase lets you do that.
So as you can see in this section, it says from Mana to Ethereum, right? That's perfectly fine. And if you click that little middle icon, it does the opposite, right? It says from Ethereum to Mana. So I could do vice versa. As long as you own the coin, you're able to convert it, right? And the same process right now, you would just click like, hey, I want to transfer $2 worth. You click preview, and it does the whole preview for you once again. That's a good part about Coinbase, right? Like it lets you see what it is, lets you see the fees behind it. And if you don't like what you see, like I don't like this, for example, I'm going to go back and I'm done. So essentially, it's that simple when it comes to Coinbase, right? Like it's very user friendly, I would say. What's your biggest pro of Coinbase?
I would say the fact that it's user friendly and the fact that they get all the most popular cryptos right away, at least faster than a lot of other exchanges.
Yep.
Once they hit the market, like ApeCoin came out the other day and Coinbase got it basically the first day.
Yep. And I think a huge pro of it is backed up, right? Like it's one of the best exchanges because of how safe it is. It is a safe exchange. We've explained the difference between keeping it online, when I say it, I mean crypto online, and then keeping it offline.
Yeah.
But if I'm keeping it online, I like Coinbase, and we're not sponsored. So, hopefully, yeah, exactly. Hopefully, if y'all are watching, hook us up. But that's just for you guys to know that we don't get any referral links or nothing. We're actually saying this because we truly believe it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now, is there anything else we want to say? I think we're good, right?
Yeah, I think we're good on that.
All right, perfect. So now you guys know, this actually wraps up completely our crypto unit. So you guys know what crypto is. You guys know what blockchain is. We explained Bitcoin, Ethereum. We butted heads on that.
Definitely did. And we got altcoins in there. We got metaverse, NFTs. If you're interested in any of these topics and you haven't checked out our previous videos, please go back and check them out. They're all in the Rookie Mondays playlist.
Exactly. So hopefully you guys like this unit. We're going to have another unit coming out next, which you have to make sure you check out. We're not going to give no sneak peeks yet, so make sure you're there. But Thank you so much if you're still listening. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the video and hit that notification bell because we drop
2 videos a week.
And you do not want to miss them. We appreciate you guys, and we're going to check you on Wednesday. But until then, peace.
Peace.